Hey guys, today we're going to be taking the Yamaha Timberwolf 250 out to the lake beds. I've got my buddy Aaron coming on his way. Yesterday we did end up taking, me and Sophie, we took the Yamaha Big Air 400 out there. It worked pretty good, everything no problems, except the oil leak. I got to get this thing tore back apart and get the oil leak fixed. But other than that, it did good, pretty impressed. I was really impressed with it going through all the holes. Never started spinning or nothing. I realized in full drive the whole entire time.
Did you introduce me?
It's still in a spin. But she wants to introduce her.
I'm Sophie.
This is Sophie, my girlfriend. So, my buddy's Aaron's gonna come in a little bit. We're about to take it out to the lake beds. Took it for a test drive this morning or this afternoon, and started messing with the air fuel. It seemed a little sluggish. It still worked, but I wanted to get a little bit better. So I just readjusted the air fuel on it. So I think it's good to go. So I'll finish this in the next clip. Alright, so my buddy Aaron just pulled up. He's got a Yamaha Grizzly 450, right, Aaron?
Yeah, 450.
Yamaha Grizzly 450. Pretty much stock. Is anything done to it? Or all stock? All stock. Perfect condition. But we're gonna see how it does. Get a couple of videos of it, and then show you some videos of it. Cool. Got so far doing good, a little sputtering, but not too bad. There it goes. You want to record me? Record us. You can, please. Thank you.
Hi guys.
I've made out to the entrance to the lake bed. Oh, there was some. That hurt. That's cool. But it's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. So beautiful. I'm gonna go in the water. I'm gonna let it cool down for a minute. So yeah. Alright, so we made it out to the lake beds. Really pretty out here. It's kind of sad to see when it's all houses one day, but yeah, this thing drives smooth. He just let me drive it. Drives super smooth. Gonna do some video of him on it. It gets deep. It drops. It drops.
I don't know. All right, love you.
You got it? You got it? Oh, it's big. Man, oh man. That's impressive.
Yeah.
Alright, you want to record me? I'm going to go back to that little hole.
Okay.
Alright, so you're coming through here.
Oh my god.
Going through here. I thought I was on high ground because you see this is all high right here. And it's a little short distance right here. But now I hit a hole, it's like 4 foot deep right there. Hit that hole, both of us flew off of it. But we're okay, we're good. Try to figure out how to back out here and get back out, get back home. How deep is this right here? Oh, this ain't too deep. No, it's like 2 foot. I'll try this way and see what happens. I'm gonna go out this way, just go home. We're gonna go out this way, we'll just go home. It's gonna get dark soon. This is my buddy Tyson. What is it? Rhino? Oh no, Wolverine. Wolverine. Man, that thing's sick, knocked out.
It's not just making coffee. We get to know customers like we would.
This video took me out. The ending video. Sun's about to set. Super pretty. So, alright, this is. At the ending video, see the sunset, real pretty. We're gonna end this video off, head back home, put it all together so you guys watch it. Alright guys, so we're back to the house. Got washed off. This is Yamaha Grizzly. And what do you think? What do you say, Aaron, about the four-wheeler?
What?
What do you say about the ride?
Oh, it's a good four-wheeler.
Good four-wheeler?
Yeah, worth $2,500.
Yeah, $2,500. You spent on this thing. What was your favorite part about going in the mud?
The way it handled.
The way it handled good?
Yeah.
That one was able to bounce pretty good. This one just teeter-totter as soon as you hit uneven ground on a little one. They just want to jerk it. You saw we flipped over sideways, not really flipped, but like slid over sideways the one time. But other than that, I liked it. Just wish it was four-wheel drive.